What is up, guys? Bringing you here the Hollyland Mark M2 wireless microphone. So I went ahead and got myself a pair as they look really cool, as well as they are showing some really good performance as I've seen. But let's go ahead and unbox this. Here we go. Here we go. Now I did buy this on Amazon. I did pay with tax probably about $170. There they are. Very nice, pretty nice. They are quite small. Wow, extremely small. We have the audio receiver. Pretty cool. Interesting. Charge USB Type-C. Alright, they're already charged up. So yeah, guys, I just wanted to show you guys this unboxing of it. If you have any questions about it, let me know. And I'll see you guys till next time. Mic check 1 2. Mic check 1 2. Alright. I would put it right about here maybe. Or comfortably like right there. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.